No, come inside. Alright guys, today we're doing something new. We're going to do mean, median, mode, and range. First thing you guys need to know, you need to know the difference between mean, median, mode, and range. So I'm going to go through each one, and then you're going to just complete 8 problems, just so you could get the grasp of it right now. So the first one you're going to do is mean. Mean is another word for average. So they're going to give you a set of numbers, and what you need to do is add up all the numbers that they give you, and then divide by the number of numbers there are. So here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 numbers, so that's the number you're going to divide by. So you add up all these numbers, and you get 880. Remember, I always tell you the bottom number is that outside number when you divide. You can divide that number, there's 10 numbers, into 880, because you added up all the numbers, and that was the total. And you come out with the number 88. So your mean of the data is 88. The next one is median. So median is just the middle. Think of median, middle number of the value. So what they're going to give you a set of numbers. They give it to you right here. What you need to do is, first of all, no matter what, when you're doing median, you need to place them in order from least to greatest. And see how there's 2 5s here? That's because there's 2 5s in the set. You need to put that many numbers. However, if there's 2, 3, 4, you put them in order. So it's 2, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 13, 14, 23, and 25. So there's no middle number here, right? Because we have 5 on this side, 5 on this side. There's no middle number. So what they do here is they take the 7 and 8, add them together, to get 15, and you divide it by 2 because it's 2 numbers, just like you did up here with the average or the mean. All right, so if you had 5 numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you have 2 on this side, 2 on this side, so your median is 3. Okay, so the next one is mode. So mode just tells me how often each one comes up. They don't use numbers in this one. They use days of the months, but you can have numbers as well. So for this one, it's just telling you how many times, which one comes up and shows up the most often. So November. So how many times do you see November? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just jot it down. There's 5 of them. Then December's next. How many times do you see December? 1, 2, 3. And then the last one is October. How many times do you see October show up? 1, 2. So November shows up the most. So November is our mode. Whichever one shows up the most. Now, for range, you have a group of numbers, same thing, but a range is showing us what's the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So first of all, you're going to find the highest number, which is 410. Take that, 410, and you're going to subtract it by the lowest number. So find the lowest number, 200. So subtract it, 200. So we got 0 on this side, 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So your range is 210. So what I want you to do right now is do this checkpoint. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to find the product here from 1 to 8. Now, when you get down to here, this is just multiplying. This is kind of like a review. So just take this as a review. But up here, for the checkpoint, 1 through 4, this is what you're going to actually be doing for the mean, mode, range, and all that good stuff. Okay? Let me know if you have questions.